What is MCM Client Phone and how to use it to connect with clients?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to dive into a fantastic tool you can use to boost your business connectivity with its clients, the MCM Client Phone. We'll talk about what it is and how to use it to connect with clients, making communication as seamless and effective as possible.
What is MCM Client Phone?
The MCM Client Phone refers to a software solution that empowers your business to stay connected with clients by facilitating effective and streamlined communication. This tool is particularly useful for businesses that rely heavily on client interaction, customer service, or sales. The MCM Client Phone is often part of a broader package of tools in a mobile content management (MCM) system, where the phone aspect refers to the call or communication functionality.
How does the MCM Client Phone work?
The MCM Client Phone works by creating a virtual telephony network that your business can use to handle all its client calls. You don't need any special hardware to use this system, just your regular computers, tablets, or smartphones. The system uses internet connectivity to make and receive calls, meaning you can connect with your clients from virtually anywhere. It also typically integrates with other systems, like CRM or ERP, to provide a comprehensive view of the customer and help deliver a more personalized and efficient service.
How to use MCM Client Phone to connect with clients?
To get started, follow these steps. 1. Set up your MCM Client Phone system. This typically involves downloading and installing an application or setting up a web-based interface. You may need to work with your IT team or MCM service provider to ensure the setup goes smoothly. 2. Configure your settings. This might include setting up your business hours, call routing preferences, and voicemail settings. Make sure to tailor these to best meet the needs of your clients and your business operations. 3. Integrate with other systems. If your business uses a CRM or other customer management system, integrate it with the MCM Client Phone. This will give your team immediate access to valuable client information during every call. 4. Train your team. Ensure that everyone who will be using the system knows how to make and receive calls, access voicemails, and use any other important features. This might involve hosting a training session or providing resources for self-guided learning. 5. Start connecting with clients. With everything set up, you're ready to use your MCM Client Phone to start enhancing your client interactions. That wraps up our overview of the MCM Client Phone. Now you understand what it is, how it works, and how to use it to connect with your clients. The MCM Client Phone can be a valuable asset for any business, enabling you to manage your client interactions with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Remember, the key to getting the most out of this tool is to ensure it's set up correctly, fully integrated with your other systems, and that your team is comfortable using it. Happy connecting!